Cap 26 here, this just appears in hobbies, and this is a new bottle of ink. I'm going to show you next what to do. Top off. See this top here? Well, you push that and chuck that into the appropriate color, and that'll break open. You don't squeeze the bottle. Underneath, there's a seal you got to pull off. Okay, so pull that seal off. Underneath, you have to puncture that seal. We have C here, which is right here. You lift that up right there. Okay, and it's pretty much full, but you tip it up like this and you chuck it in. Okay, like that to fill it. And see, there's ink on top of that. Okay.